Next port of call is to try and gather some firewood. Firewood. We're lucky enough to have a load of trees and sticks at the back of our house. Obviously, it's going to be very wet. We have 3 kind of fire logs in the house, so if we could light the stove and put as much of this stuff around the stove as possible, we might be able to dry it. Because I'm worried we're not going to be able to move from here. Could be a couple of days we're snowed in here, so we need to make it last. So found a saw, and there's some dry wood in this shed. We're going to start chopping it up, and yeah, hopefully this doesn't fail also. Right, so a bit of an update. That's kind of kindling to medium-sized bits that I've cut up. It's absolutely sodden, so it's going to take a bit of drying. Found these bits here, a baseball bat, and some more very wet sticks there, so I need to get sawing, I think. Huh?
We got internet again.
Oh, lovely. There we go. Just all of that to go.
Ollie, fuck off. Ollie, stop. Go away.
The absolute hack of this. But the fire's been burning away nicely. They're quite dry at this stage. We put on a wash of underwear, and that's drying as well.
The essentials.
But the difference between here and the rest of the house is, it's outrageous, lads. It's like stepping into a freezer. You probably can't see that, but yeah, our breath is visible. Yeah, tune in tomorrow. We're hoping to maybe head into town or try to go to town again tomorrow. Let's see what happens.